Are you looking for the best electric skateboard? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best electric skateboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, AOVOPRO Electric Skateboard. We've had the AOVOPRO Electric Skateboard for a few weeks now, and we're really impressed with its overall performance. The board is easy to master, even for beginners, and the powerful motors make it a lot of fun to ride. The long range of the battery is also a huge plus, as it allows us to go on longer rides without worrying about running out of power. One thing we did notice is that the deck of the board has a bit of flex, which might not be ideal for heavier riders. This can make the board feel a bit unstable at times, especially when going at high speeds. We also experienced some issues with the wheels locking up without warning, which can be dangerous if you're not prepared. Overall, we think the AOVOPRO electric skateboard is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable electric skateboard that is consistently reliable. It's easy to use, has a long range, and is a lot of fun to ride. If you're in the market for an electric skateboard, we definitely recommend giving this one a try. Number 2, AOVOPRO V5 Electric Skateboard. We've been testing the AOVOPRO V5 for a few weeks now and we're impressed with its performance. The handle deck is a great feature that makes it easy to carry around when you're not riding. The hub motors are very powerful and provide a top speed of 29 miles per hour, which is great for commuting or just cruising around town. The smooth braking system is also a nice touch, making it easy to stop on a dime. One thing to keep in mind is that the charging time is a bit long at 2.8 hours. This may not be an issue for some riders, but if you're looking for a board that you can charge quickly and get back on the road, this might not be the best option. Additionally, the board is heavy at 8 kilograms, which may make it difficult to carry for extended periods. Overall, we think the AOVOPRO V5 is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful and reliable electric skateboard. The smooth braking system and 4 different modes make it easy to adapt to different riding scenarios, and the handle deck is a nice touch that makes it easy to carry around when you're not riding. Number 3, AOVOPRO Mini 5 Electric Skateboard. We were impressed with the AOVOPRO Mini 5 Electric Skateboard. The powerful yet compact body of this skateboard gives a superb experience for those looking to advance their skating abilities and also allows you to go manual. It has a 330-pound weight capacity and is made of maple. Because it's easy to transport on and off buses, the AOVOPRO Mini 5 is a great option for office employees. This premium board is perfect for cruiser enthusiasts of all ages because of its mobility and high performance. With a range of 11 miles or 18 kilometers, this common electric skateboard is the best option if you want speed and portability. Like many lifestyle riders, all 24 cells in the battery module are individually monitored, and the hardware and software protection features are all approved. We've worked hard to make the Mini 5 as safe as we can, so you can charge, store, and ride it without anxiety. Additionally, we provide you a 6-month warranty on the day you receive the board. If you have any questions, please email us to discuss. We will be there for 24 hours. In summary, the AOVOPRO Mini 5 Electric Skateboard is a great option for anyone looking for a fun and very comfortable ride. It's portable, safe, and has a cruising speed of 28 miles per hour. Number 4, Team GH20 Mini Electric Skateboard. We've had a great experience with the H20 Mini, particularly when it comes to its performance. The motor is powerful and allows for quick acceleration and high speeds. The battery life is also impressive, and we were able to ride for several hours on a single charge. However, we did find that the wireless remote control took some time to get used to. It can be difficult to change the speed and direction of the skateboard, especially if you're not used to using a remote control. The wheels are also on the smaller side, which can make for a slightly bumpier ride on rough terrain. And while the board is sturdy and well built, it's also quite heavy, which makes it less portable than some other electric skateboards on the market. Overall, if you're looking for an electric skateboard that can handle hills and reach high speeds, the Team GH20 Mini is definitely worth considering. Just be prepared for a bit of a learning curve with the remote control, and keep in mind that it's not the most portable option out there. Number 5. Swagtron NG3 Swag Skate Electric Skateboard. We recently had the chance to try out the Swagtron NG3 Swag Skate Electric Skateboard, and we were impressed by how easy it was to ride. The kick-to-cruise feature made it easy to maintain a steady speed, and the board's sensors were very responsive, making it easy to control. The 72mm polyurethane wheels and polypropylene deck provided a smooth ride, even on rough pavement. However, the board's weight limit of 150 pounds may be a drawback for larger riders, and the deck's width of 8.9 inches may not be comfortable for riders with larger feet. Overall, we think the Swagtron NG3 Swag Skate Electric Skateboard is a great choice for beginners who are looking for an easy-to-ride electric skateboard. However, more experienced riders may find the board's top speed of 9.3 miles per hour to be too slow. Number 6. Eisenwheel V8 Electric. We were impressed by the Eisenwheel V8 Electric Skateboard's powerful motor, which can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and handle hills with ease. The removable battery is also a nice touch, as it allows you to swap in a fresh battery for longer rides. However, the skateboard is on the heavy side, which makes it less ideal for tricks. The battery life is also shorter than we would have liked, which means you'll need to recharge frequently. And at its price point, it's definitely an investment. Overall, if you're looking for a high-performance electric skateboard that can handle any terrain, the Eisenwheel V8 Electric Skateboard is definitely worth considering. Number 7. MEPA Voyager X Electric Longboard Skateboard with Helmet. We took the MEPA Voyager X Electric Longboard Skateboard with Helmet for a spin and were impressed with its speed and range. The wireless remote control was intuitive and easy to use, and we appreciated the ability to control the speed and braking. However, the weight of the board made it less portable than other electric skateboards we've tested, and the wheels weren't as good for rough terrain. Additionally, the higher price point may be a barrier for some buyers. Overall, if you're looking for a fast and long-range electric skateboard and don't mind the weight, the MEPA Voyager X Electric Longboard Skateboard with Helmet is a great option.